Hello, everybody. My name is Michael Mulvihill, and I want to share you an overview um, and kind of bring you into the work that I did this semester with my STEAM project. Um, the STEAM project that I did involves Scratch. It's a simple coding program that kids can use. It's very popular. MIT made it, and I'll get more into that, but it involves Scratch and computer science. And my project was called Making Games and Movies from Scratch. Didn't. So what were the steps leading up to this project? Well, I'm currently a prospective math teacher, and I really wanted to find something that was applicable to students. And I've worked with Scratch before, and I thought that, hey, I really think Scratch is a powerful tool and can really help kids not only have fun but learn. And I wanted to investigate that. So something practical and something I had experience with, and something that I think would help kids or my driving force. So just a quick overview. The project is that was an after-school program for middle school kids to get together maybe once a week for a semester and work on Scratch, get introduce them to Scratch, introduce them to computer science. I remember when I was a kid and I took computer science, I thought it was about how to make a computer almost or how to open the internet, but there's coding behind it, and I think kids could latch onto it and see in real time the fun that they're doing. It's a kid-friendly program. It's applicable for computer science, uh, and I also not only so part one is introduce the computer science, but I also wanted kids to you know join a community after school, something they could have fun in and learn in a low risk environment and just have fun and be themselves. So I had three main goals. Um, My first goal was for students to gain familiarity and confidence in the computer science field. My second goal was for students to improve their critical thinking skills, new ways of thinking computer science. It's computational thinking, which is a process that's kind of new, but it's analyzing a situation, breaking it down to step-by-step components, and working on a solution. And I also, again, want students to have fun. So work from the project, there's coding that I want to show you, and also a motion sensor ability, and that was more of a math component because I wouldn't want to just teach Scratch day in and day out. So this kind of breaks it up and actually connects back to Scratch. Yeah, so these are some of the goals that students would be learning, uh, hopefully, throughout the course. And, it's both computer science and mathematical. I wanted to have a chance to introduce into my math class. So these are kind of the skills that we would hit at on each week, once a week, going through a mini project, a mini game, or a mini movie that eventually would build up to a final project. And underneath behind it all, there'd be mathematics, like making their characters bigger by some proportion and stuff like that. In the final assessment, groups would brainstorm and create their own movie and game. And the rubric would mostly entail stuff where they have to hit on the concepts that we discussed earlier in class. I do want to show you a game that I made, Hungry Purple Fish. You can actually click the link to play it if you want. But this game was pretty fun, and I would show this to the kids as maybe inspiration to try the game out for themselves. So in this game, if I hit a fish smaller than me, I eat it. But if I hit one bigger, it's game over. I get a score of 50. But yeah, that's my project, guys, and I hope you liked it. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I had a lot of fun making it, and I think the kids will like it. So those are some things I learned, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.